Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and boy, we got something today from New Zealand. This, well, you can probably read, but if not, let's just crack open the box and I'll show you what is within. Oh boy. Well, I know a lot of you folks really like things that are spicy, and that is what is in this box. About a few years ago, I tried a variety by a company called Culley's, that's this company, and they had something called the world's hottest ramen. Well, my videos, you can see, I'll put links in this, and yeah, I cooked it up. It came out, it was hard to cook, I'll admit that, but what was hard was eating it. It had a lot of Carolina Reaper pepper, and it made, I come out with an annual top 10 spicy list, and the top of the list right now is a Carolina Reaper. Last year it was Bulldog 3X. Bulldog 3X is pretty well heralded all around. People just find it to be incredibly spicy. That Culley's World's Hottest Ramen made that stuff taste like sugar water, like candy, like something you would be like, oh, here, little Jimmy, have a nice chalky. This is a different level of heat. It put me pretty much into shock. The endorphin rush that I got from it was intense. So let's look at one of these boxes. As you can see, there's a couple of them here. And here it is, Culley's World's Hottest Ramen Noodles version 2.0. And I got a message from this Culley guy. He's over in New Zealand. He makes hot sauces and he also does this. And I asked him, so is this one hotter than the prior version? And he said, oh yeah, absolutely. It's hotter. So that's daunting. Let's see what's in the box. I mean, he sent 18 of them. Thank you very much, I think. When he asked me if I wanted to try the new version, my first comment was, oh Jesus, you know. But yeah, the new packaging is really, really cool. I wasn't super keen on the old packaging. The new package looks pretty neat. So here's what the box looks like. Side of the box, bottom of the box, the other side of the box. And yeah, this will be getting reviewed, and I'll endure it pretty soon. I've got a plan. I'm gonna do some like probiotic yogurt, slug down a bunch of that, as well as some like heartburn medicine, and then I'm gonna eat it, and then I'm gonna do more of the yogurt, and then I'm gonna eat some bread to try to soak up all that heat that's in my gut. So we'll see. All right, what we got in here? We have a leaflet, and here, let me read you what it says. World's hottest ramen noodles. Do you think you can take on the world's hottest ramen? The fastest person to finish a bowl of the Culley's World's Hottest Ramen will receive the ultimate bragging rights with your notes, or with your mates, plus some cool prizes. We have loads of spot prizes up for grabs for people who participate, not just the ultimate winner. All you need to do all you need to do to win is post a video of you finishing the ramen. The fastest person is the winner. Are you up for the challenge? A few rules to follow. You have to finish the full bowl of ramen as per cooking instructions, noodles and soup. The soup and noodles need to be consumed in conjunction, not separated into different bowls. Empty your bowl above your head when finished. Tag an official Culley's account, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. The judge's decision is final. So, yeah, a contest. That's pretty cool. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm afeared. So here's what we got in the box. So we've got the noodle block. We've got, I believe this is the togarashi. So it's like a spice mix. And he did mention that it has Carolina Reaper pepper in it. This, I think, is going to be the vegetable. This right here, I believe, is Carolina Reaper pepper mash and some other stuff. Am I going to regret that? We'll find out in a moment. But yeah, you've got powder or spice mix. You've got the vegetables, the noodle, and the fire right there. So yeah, am I looking forward to challenging this? Yes and no. I want to get it over with. I don't know exactly when I'm going to get it over with, but it definitely needs to be done. And I can't back away from a challenge. Well, thank you to Mr. Culley for sending over this set of monstrosities that will probably leave me groaning and moaning on the floor. The last time I did one of these, I scarfed it down pretty quick. It really wasn't that hard to eat. It's not a violently large amount of food. However, the after effects of it lasted for hours. And literally like 2 hours after I had it and I was writhing on the floor and just like, I had to go get my kid off the bus. I remember getting on the bus and the bus driver, she was like, are you okay? I'm like, I just did a spicy noodle challenge. I mean, it like really worked me over. After the heat in my mouth and all that subsided, it was my gut. My gut was just so furious about it. But after having more spicy things and experiencing the Carolina Reaper a little bit more, I've found that the last thing you want to do is just let it sit. You got to put some stuff in there to kind of reason with it, I guess is the term. So, yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. There you will, if you've seen this video, most likely what you need to do is just subscribe, and you'll and click the notification, and you'll be notified when this is going to be, when I'm going to do this. And I'll do the whole thing on camera, all that good stuff. I'll do the cooking and the eating. So, yeah. All right. Bye-bye.